Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. Alright, in this video, we're going to be going over Theta's price prediction. Normally, I don't do this, but there's hints of a golden cross. We'll check that out. We're also going to get into Theta is continuing with their core product, which is video streaming. We'll talk about that a little bit. And then lastly, we will get into Coco, his ThetaDrop release. There is rumor that there might be an airdrop, and we will dig into that here briefly. All right, so let's get directly into those three stories. So as we know, the price of Theta for the past, couple months has been, bouncing between about $9 on a good day, and if not, somewhere down in that $5 range, somewhere in there. But if we check out the moving averages, we have a 50-day and a 200-day moving average. And when those two cross, we can either get a death cross or a golden cross. And it looks like, guys, as long as the price of Theta continues to increase like it is, we have the makings of a golden cross, starting to form, as you can see here. And if you're not familiar with the Golden Cross, let's check it out. Once again, Investopedia, just a little bit of knowledge here. What is a Golden Cross? A Golden Cross is a chart pattern in which a relatively short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. Some key takeaways: a Golden Cross is a technical chart pattern indicating the potential for a major rally. And the Golden Cross appears, as we said, when the 50-day and the 200-day intersect. And this is kind of a good depiction of what could happen. And once again, if we check it out, there's a 50-day and the 200-day. They look like they may start moving in the right direction. A little bit more. So like I said, it's commonly used for the 50-day and 200-day moving average. And generally, this, indicates that it could form a breakout in the future. So if we look at Theta's price in the past, we have to go back a little bit, but as we can see, there was a golden cross. It actually happened, quite a couple months, so it doesn't mean that it's going to happen right away. There was a little breakout rally right here, but this is May of 2020, which kind of led to this humongous rally, among other things that happened in the news with Theta as well, and the overall crypto market. But if we check out BTC, something similar can be seen just with the golden crosses in the past. This golden cross led to the price explosion that put, BTC back on the map again in 2020. And then once again, we have a golden cross here that happened not too long ago, just a couple months ago in September. And since then, the price of BTC or Bitcoin has been rallying quite a bit, as we know. So that is just a good indication in the future. If the price of Theta continues to rise, or the average continues to stay, above that 200-day average, then hopefully we should get a golden cross here soon, which could be indicative of that price explosion that we are all looking for. So that is the first piece of news. The second piece of news is just Theta continuing to do their core product, and that is video streaming. Even though it doesn't make the news, it's not quite as sexy as some of the other things that's happening, but this is why we got into Theta, and it's because they can deliver content. And a lot of the content that they're delivering and people don't know about, it's just these video game streams. Another one happened not too long ago, the Pigeon Classic, and this is something smaller, but it's just something to show you that Theta is continuing to work behind the scenes and continuing to do its core product. So the Pigeon Classic, will look into it. It was a chess tournament, and like I said, not too huge. It was a 2021 Pigeon Classic. It was hosted on November 14, and it was a tournament. There was $500 in USDT. It was distributed between some of the partners, and it was pretty awesome. So if we check it out, there's the giveaways, and then just to show you, this data will power our selection process, which will take place on Sunday the 14th on our Theta channel. So if you check out their Theta channel, yes, the video game streams are just pulling more and more people into Theta TV, and more people, as they use Theta TV, our edge nodes are, getting more jobs, and it's just more beneficial for the entire ecosystem. All right, so the very last story that I wanted to share with you, this one is 100% rumor, so that's why I saved it for the last. But Psychoco, there is rumor out there in the Discord channels and other public forums that with Psychoco's NFT airdrop on ThetaDrop, as we know, this happened just a couple weeks ago. It was a very successful drop, just like all the recent ones have been. There is a rumor that if you have 2 cards, and they might be a specific pair of 2 cards, that one isn't confirmed yet, but if you have those 2 cards or just 2 cards in general, there will be a free airdrop coming your way. So this is just another utility for the ThetaDrop marketplace. Not only can you buy these, NFTs on the Theta blockchain, but these NFTs can have secondary uses. And it just goes to show you that, this is just a step in the right direction, that we are having multiple use cases for NFTs, and they're more than just digital JPEG images. So that is the last little bit of news. Once again, 100% rumor mill, but I did want to share it with everyone. So Psychoco may be giving an airdrop to lucky users who have 2 of his NFT cards. And then also Theta is continuing to crush it with their core blockchain utility, and that is content delivery with the Pigeon Classic. And then lastly, there might be a golden cross in the works with Theta, which would just cause the price to continue to explode upward as we're looking for. And once again, guys, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.